Thank you, ISEE Hair, for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this cute little package, and I have this nice little silk bag for storage and their information card with their social handles and tips in the back. They sent me 5 packs of 1B 18-inch Miracle Knots in Burmese curly, and it is very beautiful. I'm just showing you guys the hair, and I love these curls at the end. It gives it true Burmese, okay? So let's prep my hair for these Miracle Knots. I'm going to start off by doing some mini braids. As you can see, I have my first section right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start my mini braids. I think this is a very easy way to do this style. Everything pretty much went quickly, and it was very easy because I had everything sectioned out and I had my steps ready to go. Okay, so I'm just adding some edge control here, and I went ahead and detangled that part and started my braids. This was very easy for me to do because I was organized in my parts and organized in the steps. So right now I'm almost done with the mini braids, and you guys will see what it looks like right here. So as you can see, I am finished. I am so happy because we are going to move on to the next step, but I made sure that I had a middle part in the middle of my head to, you know, give me some versatility when I'm ready to style it. So here is the first piece of the Miracle Knot that I'm going to braid in the bottom of my hair, or the mini braids. So right now I am starting 2 inches above the tip of my hair. I started them pretty low towards the end of my braid because I want this style to be long. But if you want it to be a little bit shorter, you can always start, like, I think in the middle. Okay, so this is too high, and as you can see, I moved it down to maybe about 2 inches, like I said before, above the tip of my hair, and I went ahead and braid that in. I just completed the steps until I finish this part, and I'm going to go ahead and continue to get this moving along. So now I'm at the top, and I'm pretty much placing the Miracle Knots in the same spot, 2 inches above the tip of my hair. And we are going to go ahead and get this done because I'm excited to show you guys the next step, which is also very easy. So stick with your girl. I got you. Alright, so now that we have that done, I'm just showing you the back and the parts. They look very, very good for me to do it myself, and this is very simple. You can do it too. So I'm just showing you guys the ends, and it is so cute. So right now I'm just going to only add 2 additional Miracle Knots to my mini braids. I'm going to add one in the center of that braid. Alright, and then I'm going to add one at the root or the top of my braid. So that's going to give you a total of 3 Miracle Knots per braid. Alright, so I'm just going to show you right after I pull that through, and I'm going to just loop it. Very simple, as you can see here. Pull that through the loop, and that's it. So as you can see, I have one at the top, one in the center, and then the one that I braided into my hair. And that's going to give you a total of 3 Miracle Knots per braid. Alright, so I will only recommend 2 to 3 because if you have any more, it's going to be really full. As you can see, my hair is nice and voluminous and full with just the 3 per braid. Alright, I think I can't stress that enough. So I'm just showing you guys the length right here. Wait a minute, hold on. That's real cute. This is a true 18-inch. Alright, so let's get into some better lighting and style this hair. Okay, so this first style, you can just put it into a middle part and just kind of wear it like this. Very simple, very cute, you know, laid back. You can dress this down or up. As you can see, I'm a little bit dressed up because I am going out later. And the middle part can just be worn on any occasion. All right, so let's move on to number 2. I'm gonna put this into a deep side part style. Now this is if you want to be like a little bit more jazzy, a little bit more cutesy. A side part will always do. And I don't know why I put this bobby pin right here. I really didn't need it. I just liked it better when I allowed it to just hang naturally, but your girl just had to put a bobby pin in. I don't know why. So this is like a half up, half down little situation, but the ponytail is a little bit more on the low side, which is very cute. And I just pulled an extra, you know, some miracle knot crochet hair just out on the side to give it a nice little flirty look, and I think it's cute. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king if I trust, but you. For this last style, I'm going to wear a cute little high ponytail, all right? And I am going to just make sure that it's nice and secure. I'm going to take some hair and wrap it around that hair tie to give this ponytail a little lift, because in this style, your girl is giving a little 90s, all right? So look at that. And I love how the hair just kind of fell like asymmetrical. I did not cut it. It just kind of fell like that, and it survived. I want to thank you for watching, and the information on this hair will be in the description box below. Leave it in the comments, your favorite style. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until then, I'll see you in my next one.